The idea behind it is to work with light and transform the building itself, no? The perception that you have of the building. I reproduce the real building, I reproduce it virtually with the projectors, with the video projectors, really powerful. I overlap both the virtual with the real one. This is a bit of the goal of the installation, not to make you lose your connection, to question if what you're seeing is a real building or something that it's more suggestive.
We sought contact with Barco and XL Video, and we managed to make a whole collaboration to make it possible to invite Pablo for a big outdoor creation. And then in the more practical phase, we had a very intense contact with XL Video. They were very eager and always ready to come help prepare, even in the weekends. So I have to say we're very enthusiastic about the collaboration.
You have technicians and people taking out most of the technical part of the work, that it's really a relief, no? And gives you a lot of more room to think and to develop the ideas, which for me is the interesting part and the important part. I have used Barco projectors before. This is the first time I use these 20,000 lumens projectors. The guys from XL Video brought a DVI matrix. When you're using several projectors and several signals, several computers also for testing or for adjusting, and you're mixing them, it's really helpful. You don't have problems with resolutions, with changing different signals, different computers, and it was really much faster to work this way. So it was really helpful. Yeah. For me, technology is never an end. It's always a medium, but it's a medium that has to allow you to get to a certain idea, no? So for me, technology is always like I have the idea, I want to get to that idea, and I have to find the medium that allows me to get to that idea in the most straight line as possible.